get started, we need our BiGDUG mallet. Word of warning, do not use a hammer with a metal head because it may damage the shelving unit. Apart from the mallet, our trusted friend, the flat-headed screwdriver. Okay, so grab 2 half uprights. We're going to attach the feet. Then get the upright connectors. Now, the upright connectors, they've got like, they're corners obviously, and they've got 4 slots. They go on the inside of the upright. We'll add the second half of the uprights. On the inside, you make sure that you push the tabs into the slots, holding it onto the ground, getting your mallet, and just very, very gently push it in there. There we go. Isn't that lovely? It's as tall as myself. Right. So again, we've got 4 of these to do. So guys, after assembling the bottom half uprights and the top half uprights, you may look at this and just think, oh God, it's a bit flimsy and whatever, but it's not. Once the structure comes together, it will be absolutely solid. Press down very gently and they go in as easy as that. We will use a mallet once I put the rest of them in. But you'll need to come one up from that, otherwise it will just interfere with the shelving and the feet and they'll come off. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm going to put the other side on. Getting my mallet. Gently. Few taps, it's in. I know it doesn't sound gentle, but it is. So use the wall as your DIY buddy and repeat, or as they say, rinse and repeat. So that's what I'm doing here. So putting these bad boys. So what we need to do next is to do the front and back beam, right? Which is these long fellas here. I start from the bottom and work my way up. As well as sort of like keeping the shelf solid and steady and everything else, it also stops the front and the backs pulling apart. The tabs are very easy to bend. If you do that, bending it down, you'll get a perfect 90-degree angle so that it's easy to put in. But you push it in, making sure that it comes through this slot. So you'll see that this is where the flathead screwdriver comes in handy. You do that, look at that. So I've got my frame in situ. So now I'm going to get my shelves. It's right underneath the slot so that when this goes down, it's easier to run over the slots themselves. Carry on with the rest of them and then we're almost done.